Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this video, we'll learn Tabaka's team self-assessment model, a simple way for Agile teams to evaluate how well they work together. This model focuses on 5 dimensions that make a team successful. We'll explain each one and then see how a spider chart helps the team visualize growth. The 5 dimensions are self-organization, empowered to make decisions, belief in the vision and goals, trust and collaboration, and accountability. Self-organization means the team manages their own work. Empowered decisions means they can solve problems without waiting for permission. Belief in the vision means everyone understands the purpose. Trust and collaboration means people feel safe sharing ideas and helping each other. Accountability means keeping promises to the team. To visualize the assessment, teams use a spider chart. Each axis is one of the 5 dimensions, and scores from 1 to 5 are plotted. Let's go 1. Now let's say our team votes, and the average scores are 3, 4, 2, 5, and 3. We plot each score on its axis and connect the points. The shape shows strengths and weaknesses. If the chart is small in one direction, like self-organization, the team discusses what is blocking them and creates a plan to improve. The goal over time is a bigger, more balanced shape. That is Tabaka's team self-assessment model. Simple, visual, and team-driven. In this video, we will learn how to get scores in Tabaka's model. Step 1 is to choose the categories. These categories describe how the team is working. Common categories include vision, planning, quality, and teamwork. Step 2 is the rating scale. Each person gives a score from 1 to 5. A score of 1 means we are just beginning. A score of 3 means okay but could be better. A score of 5 means expert level. Step 3 is to calculate the average. Add all the scores and divide by the number of people. This is the average score formula. Step 4 is to create a visual map. We use a radar chart, also called a spider chart. Each line represents a category. The farther from the center, the higher the score. Now let's do an example. For people rate teamwork as 4, 3, 5, and 4. We add them. For +3 + 5 + 4 equals 16. Then divide by 4. The average is 4.0. Now, let's place average scores on the radar chart. We will use example averages. Visual 4, planning 3, quality 4, teamwork 4. And that is how you get scores in Tabaka's model. Pick categories, rate on a scale, calculate averages, and draw a radar chart. Thanks for watching.